So next 45 to 50 minutes, we are going to discuss a business opportunity and an additional income source in this pandemic situation. Okay. So my name is Balakrishna, and from last 12 years, I'm working in a pharma company as IT manager. I'm building this business passionately with my wife, Supriya, and she is helping me in the social media advertisement. And we have a YouTube channel and a Facebook page from where we are advertising for this business. So before doing any project or taking up any assignment, what is important for you? Okay. So for me,
Sorry, Bala. Can you unmute? Unmute yourself.
yes, okay. So Sandeep sir, can you hear me?
Yes, perfectly.
Okay. So for me, before taking any assignment or any project, the important is why I should do this, right? And if you have any other questions like how you will start, you can start this or how you can do this.
Balakrishna sir,
Yes.
PPT nahi share ho rahi.
Okay. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I think
Yes, okay.
last time I stopped my sharing. So can you see it, sir?
Yes, perfectly.
Okay. So what I was discussing is, for me, before taking any new project or any new assignment, important is why. Why should I do this? Right? And if you have any other question, then how to do it or how to get start in it, then our team is there to help you or make you understand this. So I hope the next 45 to 50 minutes, you will see this presentation, and once you like the concept, you will get back to the person who has invited you. Right. So there can be a different why or different reasons or different dream for the people to start any new income opportunity. Or if I tell you that what you will do if you get the additional income, then someone else answer can be, I want to go on foreign tour, or I want to, if I, so in my current whatever income I'm getting, in that income, if I get something additional, I would like to do a charity or social work. Or for someone, it can be a sport car or sport bike, or for someone, it can be a new house or penthouse or farmhouse, right? So there can be a different why or different reasons. Okay. So uh, this is the quadrant, income quadrant, which was defined by Robert Kiyosaki, one of the author of Rich Dad and Poor Dad, right? And there are two types of income: linear income and residual income. Linear, that is active income; residual, that is passive income. So active income, that is whatever you are doing, you will get the income the time you are there, right? And once you are out from your field, or once you are out from your job, then you will not get that income. So in that case, it's active income, right? And the passive income is the investor or writer or singer who do the work for the one time, and then they reap it up, or they wait for whatever turnaround or money they will get it, right? In case of investor, they invested in any project or any kind of real estate or anything which is new coming up, and they wait for some time to get the return back, right? So what this quadrant defines is employee, self-employee on the left side, and business owner and investor on the right side. So employee and self-employee, if we observe carefully, so both of this category have to go somewhere for 8 to 10 hours, right? So if, say for example, if I'm an employee in some company, so in that company, I have to attend, be there at least 8 to 10 hours. In that case only I'll get my salary, right? But in the right quadrant, instead of this, if you see the business owner that is who have employee around 500 to 1000 or more than that, we can take an example of Reliance or Tata or big organization, right? So what they do, they employ people and they buy their time, and they are multiplying their time, right? And in this quadrant, left and right, if you see carefully, so in terms of education, the left side were the people who do the graduation or post graduation and then PhD or any other additional courses and spend at least 15 to 17 years of their career to just learn something or to get a good degree, right? Instead of that, on the right side, some people are there like Bill Gates or some other examples are there who have not done their formal education, right? So what I'll do or what I want to concentrate is on the left side. If once our degree is completed or once the education is completed, then we start something or we start searching the job, right? But then we realize that we have big dreams, but the income which is coming to us is a limited income, or then we start the compromising, right? And there are, now we can take some example like in the January or February, the people who used to go to company or who used to go to job, they did not realize that after 2 months or 4 months there will be a pandemic situation, and some of them now already lost their job or pay cut is there, there is no hike, right? So at the same time, some of the industries which are badly hampered and some of the industries which are now rising industries, and say for example travel and tourism, okay, or entertainment industry. Travel and tourism, we don't know the next time when we are going to book the travel package, or we don't know that next time when we are going to go to movie, right? But at the same time, in the entertainment industry, if you see Netflix or Amazon Prime, their sales has increased because people are preferring to see the movies or different shows sitting at home, right? So you might have heard many stories which are going around, or if you have a habit of reading daily news, then you will come to know that many people are losing their jobs, or their salary cuts are there, or people are working from home, still they are not getting sufficient salaries, right? Recently, 2 or 3 days back, I read one news where Air India has announced that the people can take a leave of 5 years. Up to 5 years, they no need to come to job, but that is without salary, right? So these things are happening around, right? And this, it is not only in case of COVID. If many of you know that in 2009 there was one more recession, right? And where the people, most of the people lost their job, because I was one of them when in 2009 I lost my job because of a recession, right? So what are the challenges, or if you are on the left quadrant, okay, where you have limited income? So today's challenge is corona. Maybe today, whatever job I am doing, I'm a project manager, or I'm working as a software developer or software engineer. So in every job, there is some ability, right? Suppose in my case, like I should type perfectly, or I should type the words very accurately, or in my case, my eyesight should be very fine. So tomorrow, if something happens, like I'm meeting with an accident where I'm losing my eyesight, then in that case, so I'll be so much productive in that case if I lost my eyesight? No, there will be some challenges, right? And I'm not sure whether company will keep me as it is, or I have to uh, quit this job, right? So there are some challenges which happens other than this scenarios which I discussed earlier. Now, do you have any backup plan for your life, right? Like in the four-wheeler, we have the additional tire, or we call as a Stephanie, where if you on the long drive and something happens with one tire, you just the driver is immediately replace it, and he starts his journey, right? But do we have the backup plan for our life, or do you have something if you in the current situation as an additional income source or additional income opportunity? If not, definitely for next 30 to 35 minutes you have to see this presentation. Then this is one of the famous personality, Warren Buffett. Okay, so his famous quote is, if you are investing somewhere, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That is, if you are investing in any company, or if you are investing in share market, don't put all money in one company. So tomorrow, if that company is no more, or that company is not working properly, in that case you will lose all your whatever investment you have done, right? So the same applicable in case of our job, because it is a long day back that people like who start the job in one company then and they used to stay there up to retirement, but now people are changing their job after 2 years, 3 years, right? So same, and now the situation is like along with the job we have to see something as an additional income, right? Because we cannot depend on one job. So uh, if you want to go big, or if you want to achieve a financial security, then we have to follow the people who has already done that, right? So if I want to change something, I have to change myself or follow the people who are already successful, correct? Like biggies, Tata or Reliance or some of the other industries which I have specified on the right side. So what exactly common in this, or what they are doing? Let's say for example Tata, they are selling cars, that is they are in automobile sector, as well as they are in they are selling salt also, right? Because Tata knows that if in the next 3 to 4 months if people are not going to buy a vehicle, then definitely they will need a salt. It's a daily use product, or it's a product which is people will need on daily basis, right? So they have something, a recession proof business. Same in case of Reliance, they are in petroleum industry, but at the same time Reliance has Reliance Fresh, right, where they are selling different grocery products or different vegetables. Then Reliance has Reliance Trends, which is in fashion, or they are in electronics. So different businesses are there. There are multiple sources of income, right? So if we see carefully in this pandemic situation, and as well as in other situations also, this is the one of the industry, FMCG, where people will use the product on daily basis. Like say for example soap or toothbrush or toothpaste, these are the products people using throughout the from morning up to the night, right? And this is the industry where, though today is pandemic situation, we cannot go out, still we have to purchase these products, right? There is one more industry like diagnosis industry or healthcare industry. So today, because of COVID-19, many diagnostics labs are open 24/7, right? They are doing that day night testing. And at the same time, people realize that we no need to go to doctor when we sick. We have to take care of our health, that is preventive health. Okay, like our Ayush Mantralaya also promoting, if you don't want to fall sick, or if you don't want to be infected by COVID-19, you have to take some precautions, like supplement of vitamin C or immunity boosters. So at this time, the Ayurveda or healthcare industry, it is going to be a big market, $1 trillion industry, right? So on the daily, these are all the products we are using on daily basis, right? And these products we are purchasing from somewhere, like the product we are using on daily basis, beauty care products, home care products, or personal care products, right? The products related to agriculture. Then if you understood this presentation so far, then you would have realized that we should have multiple sources of income. And along with this, the people who are must be thinking on the business or the something which we are doing that should be a recession proof, right? So I'll take you through the evolution of, like, in the initially barter system has started, right, where people used to exchange the good. Then the currency came in form. In the currency now, if we want to purchase something like shoes or like any clothing, then we go to a specific market. So it was uh, before last 10 years, right? And now the mall concept which came in picture. And in the mall, what malls are doing, they are putting everything there, like from shoes, from clothing to vegetables, different groceries, or all the options are available there. And they are what they are doing, they are giving the discount so that people should go there and purchase something. And at the same time, the new industry came up in last 8 to 10 years is e-commerce. Like we are installing different apps in our smartphones like Flipkart or Amazon, right? And which is now growing. And there is one more, like for logistics or delivery. Now already this is started in outside India, drone delivery. So the products will be delivered through drone, and you will get it in 1 or 2 hours once you order it, right? And there is one more industry, direct selling. Now, in case of online shopping, what we are doing, we are installing any app, and that app is nothing but our virtual mall, right? And when we are shopping online and using this app, you must be knowing like Amazon, Myntra, Snapdeal, or Flipkart, or Jabang. So exactly what these companies are doing, these companies are connecting buyer and seller, right? Also, Amazon, if you see Jeff Bezos, he's the richest man in the world. But what is he exactly doing? That Amazon has any, so they have any shop or any stock point? No, they are just collecting buyer and seller, right? There is one more option is offline shopping. So whatever products we are purchasing, we can purchase online or offline. And in terms of offline shopping, we are going to some supermarket like Big Bazaar, DMart, Reliance Fresh, Star Bazaar, and they are giving different discounts. They are giving different discount coupons, right? So in both this shopping, if we observe carefully, so whatever, so our spending is, if you see in a month, if you see on your spendings, so you must be spending most of your income on either daily use products or electronics or clothing and all those things. So from wherever you are purchasing, say for example, today, if I'm deciding that I'm going in any supermarket or in any mall, and I have my budget of 1,000 rupees, that okay, I'll spend 1,000 rupees and bring something. But when we enter inside and we go, we see different offers or different discounts, right? And it never happens that we have decided something and we purchase of the same amount. So we get tempted, or we think like, okay, there is offer, so I can take this one or I can take this one. And definitely, instead of, if you are decided to purchase 5 things, you will come back with 10 or 12 things, right? So this happens because we get display, we can do a window shopping, and from there we realize that okay, if it is they are giving in discount, I should take this. And same happens in case of online shopping. If you are using Flipkart or Amazon, then in case of Flipkart and Amazon, if you have already installed in your mobile, we are going there after 2 days or 3 days in our free time, and we are checking whether what are the offers currently, or big billion days sale, or Flipkart sale, or Amazon sale, and we are checking that, right? So in all both the cases, offline and online shopping, and whatever spending we are doing or whatever expenses which is happening, so do you have any option, or so far from wherever you are purchasing, do you get any discounts close to 40 to 50%? Or from wherever you are purchasing, is that mall or is that online shopping options giving you an opportunity to become entrepreneur? I think no, because so far I was also purchasing from something somewhere else, where I used to spend my some of the money and then I never get some returns. So how it is if you get the discounts of 40 to 50%? So any manufacturer who is producing any good, he is say for example, if he is the production cost is 40 rupees, then when it reaches to consumer, that is end consumer, it goes up to 100 rupees. So the 60 rupees which is in between, so what is this cost? So this is going for logistic, this is going from one person to another who are just supplying these goods to us. Then on top of this, if you see in your house, so everything what you have, whatever you are buying, you must be first seeing the advertisement, and then we are going out and buying these things, right? So advertisement, the celebrities are coming and they are telling that okay, this is the new product, or this has this feature, and we should take this, right? So we go out and we search for the same product. So this cost, ultimately who is incurring this final cost? So if the product is getting manufactured in 40 rupees, then the end cost which we are paying 100 rupees, or which is based on MRP. So who are paying this cost? So we are paying, we are consumers, right? Now what exactly we want to do, or whoever invite you, so the concept is simple: change the shop, right? Now if you are purchasing online or offline, you have to change your purchase point. And what will happen once you change your purchase point? So this is the example I'm going to give you. Suppose today you are purchasing, if you are purchasing from market, you must be purchasing on MRP, whatever MRP is there. Then there are occasional free products, like you will get the free products either in Diwali or in New Year or in any sale. a minuscule or loyalty benefit. That is, there is very minimal loyalty benefit. Loyalty benefit, that is, I'll give you some examples like Paytm, Google Pay, or Flipkart, or Amazon. These apps, when they came initially, if you install it, they used to send you the message that can you refer to someone, some more people. If you are going to refer someone, you will get some benefit. That is, you will get credited with the 125 rupees or 200 rupees, right? But once that app is installed by someone, like if you are referring to your friend and he has installed the app, then in that case, you will get that amount one time, right? If he is using Flipkart or Amazon, and your friend is shopping, then on that shopping or every transaction, you will not get any benefit, right? It's a very minuscule benefit. Then no profit sharing. The profit sharing amount which I told you, like if manufacturing, it's producing it in 40 rupees, and if we are getting in 100 rupees. So far, or from wherever you are purchasing, we never get this benefit, right? And transparency in schemes, for this, I'll give you two examples. Like I saw some advertisement before 2 to 3 years back, where Lux advertisement used to come, where someone used to advertise like if you are lucky, you will get a gold coin in Lux. Or 4 to 5 years back, when Cricket World Cup was there, the Britannia used to add like you purchase the biscuit, you will get the points inside that biscuit packet, and if you are collecting those points, will give you the chance to go to World Cup final match to see the match, right? So do you know any person who received this benefit, or do you know someone who is lucky and got the gold coin in Lux? So far I have not seen anyone, I have never come across anyone who got this, right? But so the concept which I was telling you, that just what will happen by changing shop. So once you change the shop, and if you are shopping from the shop which we are referring to, you will get a 10 to 20% discount, then 10% of product free, 20%, 10% of product free. That is, let's pertain or take an example. If I'm purchasing for 1,000 rupees, then I'll get 100 rupees worth product free. That is 10% of product free. Then 20% loyalty benefit. So here, if we are referring someone, we'll get the one-time benefit. But this, by changing shop, if you are going to refer someone else, once you like the service and product, and if you are referring someone, whenever that person will shop from here, you will get the benefit, and you will get the amount credited to your bank account on every purchase or every transaction. Then 5 to 11% profit sharing. Minimum profit sharing will start from 5%, right, which will come to you in form of cashback. And transparency in schemes. So whatever schemes are here, those are transparent schemes and black and white on paper. Okay, so I'll just summarize. That is, once you change the shop, you will get the 50% discount, 10% of worth product free, then 20% loyalty program, and 5% of profit sharing. So far, from wherever you are purchasing, from market or any supermarket or from any retailer, so are you getting this benefit? I think so. I was not getting anything from this. So you will get minimum 50% discount, right? So if I summarize all this, so 50% will be your profit. Well, like now, so I told you about the transparency, sorry, some schemes. So here some schemes are there, like consistency offer or loyal consumer. So if you each month, if you're shopping for around 1,800 to 2,000 rupees, then in the 5th month, you will get that 1,250 rupees product free. That is, if you are shopping from here up to 4th month, you will be a loyal consumer, and company will gift you a 1,250 rupees product voucher. Then if you're maybe there can be some families who are big in size, then their requirement can be different. So if I'm shopping from here up to 4 months for rupees 3,000, then in the 5th month, I'll get a product voucher of 3,000 rupees, right? So I think I never received this benefit when I was purchasing from somewhere else. So after just changing the shop, I start getting this benefit. So I'll do some calculation here. So whatever benefits I told you so far, we'll summarize it. Let's say, for example, if per month you're spending 3,500 rupees to purchase these products, which are daily use products, or you're using at home, and if you're spending it for 4 months, so the total will be 14,000, right? So here, if we'll calculate the discount, so a 20% discount will be around 600 rupees, and 10% of free products, which will be around 300 rupees, and cashback of 100 rupees. So if I calculate all this, and as a loyal consumer, I'll get a benefit of 3,000 rupees. That is in the 5th month, I'll get the voucher of 3,000. Okay. So if I calculate total benefit, I'm spending 14,000 and I'll get back the 7,000. That is the 50% benefit, which I told you in the last slide, right? So this you will get only after changing your shop. So concept is simple, just change the shop and get this benefit, right? So now up to this is for consumer, just for changing shop. And now I'll present what is the business concept in this, right? If you calculate carefully, whatever your age is, 25, 30 or 35, we will go in the market and purchase this product up to age of 58 or 60, right? I'll calculate up to the retirement age. So if you are calculating using 3,500 or 4,000 rupees also, you calculate your expenses for 30 or 35 years, right? And then the same benefit you calculate on that, and you will get the 50% back by just changing the shop. Now we have 350 plus product free, which is in the segment of personal care, home care, oral care, then agriculture, health food, and healthcare products. Then there is one more umbrella, best deals. In the best deals, you will get 1,200 plus products where these products are genuine. Then today, if I'm purchasing something from outside or from the market, and if I don't like that product, what option I have? Either I have to use it or I can throw it, right? But here there is option that you will get a 30 days money back guarantee. If you don't like the product, yeah, you can go and return the product and you will get your money back. So what you have to do, or what we have to do exactly here to start this, just purchase this product, use this product and promote it, right? So now what we need to do to start this. So this is completely on mobile app. There is both the option offline and online. The person who has invited you here, you can ask him more details. You can get it to register, and you will get the global identification number. And this global identification number is so the business is not only in India. This business is around, other than India, this business is in 10 more countries. So there you can do this business with this global identification number. So say for example, if you know someone who is in Dubai and the business is already there in Dubai, you can refer that person. So what you have to do, you have to download these apps, which is Vestige apps, Vestige Best Deals apps, and Vestige POS apps, and you can start shopping. So these apps are similar to Flipkart and Amazon. It's a virtual mall, right? So we have prepared one kit, which is to get it started. And you can see the products which are there in this kit. And we are in the scheme of Atmanirbhar. Like now our Prime Minister is promoting, or they are saying that vocal for local, right? So this company is a local company. You can be a part of this mission, and we are already part of this mission. So up to this was the benefit of just by changing the shop. Now, how this work as a business? Okay, so here you have a chance to refer someone else. So I'm taking two examples here. So Jio as a company. So if you are purchasing the Jio SIM, you will insert in your mobile and that will start. But each month you have to recharge it, right? Either for data plan or either for talk time plan. Now here, so to whoever you will refer, definitely that person, once they like the product, once they like the services, they will start purchasing from here. And you can refer as many people as possible. So is that a referral scheme is something that is which is new, or is it was it exist in the market? Yeah. So there are many companies which are using this, like Uber or Ola. When they came initially, they used to give some coupon, right? Or if you see Facebook or WhatsApp, they never advertise anywhere. So who are advertising this, or who are promoting Facebook or WhatsApp? It is we are promoting this. The reason is, when you are installing Facebook or WhatsApp, right, or any of the app, it asks for your contacts, and that app is using your contact, and using that contacts, that company or that application is promoting, okay, their services. Now if you take the example of Oyo is a virtual platform for hoteliers, where the person who need accommodation, or who need to stay out or stay in the city somewhere, then they are searching these hotels which are available there. it is virtual platform for hotels, and the OYO is getting some benefit from there. And if you heard about the Ritesh Agarwal, he is now, it's a 12,000 crore worth company, OYO. Same for Redbus. It's a big platform where people are booking the tickets, bus tickets, the YouTube, Instagram. So all these are, they never advertise anywhere. And so the people promoted them because initially they run some schemes called refer, and if you are referring someone, then you will get the benefit. But as I told that this benefit is one-time benefit. So here it is the same. This business is also based on referral. You can refer as many people as once you like the service and product. So in the market, there are many other new applications or new businesses that works on referral. Like I can take an example of Big Basket. They promote it as a refer and earn. Then there is one more app, Amazon. Amazon also initially they started promoting like if you can refer to someone like your friend or family members, then you will get some benefit. The same as there is one more government app, Bheem UPI. They are advertising the app in the same manner. That is, if you are transferring some amount to your friends or family, if you are doing the 3 transactions, you will get some amount. At the same time, to someone who you are depositing this money, he will also get the benefit, right? So here, just referring the people, you can big your big business, and using referral network, you can form your team. So I'm taking one example here, like you are helping 6 people, and who in terms again they like the concept, and again they are helping 36. So I'm reaching to the calculation of 259. But before that, is it a chain system? No, this is not a chain system. Is it a membership scheme that I'll make you member, or the person who invite you make you member, then he will get some benefit? No, this is purely a product based business. It's a turnover based business, and you can form your own referral team. Okay, so I'll show you some calculations. Like now, so far what you have to do here, like you can register, then you can start using product and you can promote it. And what will happen, the Vestige will give you this opportunity, and winning team is an education system which will support you for this business. So I'm taking an example, you are referring to 10 people and they are taking the loyal consumer benefit, which is of 3,000 rupees, then your turnover will be 30,000 rupees, and approximate return which you will get is 3,000, right? Then the to people who you have refer, they must be, if they are willing to do the business, or if they want to promote that benefit, definitely they will promote to some more people. And I'm calculating it here as 100 people in your team, then that will be a 3,000 rupees. My turnover will be 3 lakh, and you will get approximate return of 30 to 35,000. So same, the one more calculation is, if your team is you are building a big referral team, right? And you are referring a people, the people in terms you are referred, they are referring someone else. So your turnover will be 30 lakhs, and you will get approximately 2 to 2.5 lakh income per month. Okay, but now I'm not focusing on this. So if you take an example of 30,000 rupees, then this can be a salary replacement for someone, or this can be a home loan EMI for someone, right? And this you can build in a part time. So so far, whatever benefits which we saw, a retail profit 10 to 20%, performance bonus 5 to 11%, special director bonus. So these are the other benefits. If you see at the down, there is performance bonus, which is from 5%, 8%, 10% to 11%. And once you achieve this 11% level, so today, whatever calculation which I'm going to tell you, maybe that you will not understand on the first day, but to whoever have sent you this link, you can contact them and understand this calculation. Okay, so once this 11% level is complete, you will tag as a director. And once you become a director, you will start getting some benefit like special director bonus, business building bonus, leadership overriding bonus, or travel fund, car fund, house fund, elite club fund. Okay, and if you are focusing to start as a businessman or as an entrepreneur, then you should focus on this fast start 8% or fast start director. And if you are starting with the fast start director in the first month, you will get the benefit around 25,000 to 30,000 rupees. Okay, so what we have done now, I shown you the left and right quadrant very initially. So I'll compare this quadrant again. Whatever we are doing in terms of productivity, we have to go to job either 8 to 10 hours, or who has their own businesses, or who are self-employed like doctor or chartered account. They have to sit there for 10 to 12 hours, right? Self-ability. The self-ability, there is no substitute. So tomorrow, if I fall sick and if I am not able to go to my company, there will not be any replacement from my family. Then my income source will stop. And the left quadrant people have limited income source, that is 1 to 2, because already we tied up somewhere where we giving 8 to 10 hours, right? And if you are somewhere in the city like Mumbai or Bangalore, the 2 hours travel time is required. Then in the right quadrant, what we are doing, so just by spending 2 hours in a day, 1 to 2 hours, what you can do, the calculation which I shown it to you, 259 people, then for your team, the total work is 516 hours. That is 516 hours. That is your total team work. Then, and in this teamwork, what you are doing, you are spending only 2 hours. So tomorrow, if I'm going out or I'm somewhere in the out of country, or I'm not going to work for 8 to 10 days, will this 258 people stop using these products? Like they will not use soap, or they will not use a toothpaste or toothbrush. No, they will keep using. Once they like the product and service, definitely they will start using. So here is system where though you are not there, still you will get some benefit. And as I told you that you will get those benefits on each transaction or each purchase. So you will have 259 multiple income sources, right? So to start is, are we going to build any infrastructure? No, not required. Inventory or you're stocking something? No, that is not required. Logistics, right? If you are referring someone Amazon app, or if you're referring someone a Flipkart app and he's ordering something, then do you need to take care of logistics? No, that company will take care, because company is already established company and they will do it. And technology, here you will get the virtual mall, as I said, the mobile applications, and there are both the options to shop online and offline. Then accounting, you no need to keep account. So say for example, today, if you're starting any business, any small business also, you have to keep track of each and everything, right? You have to keep a track of your debit and credit. Then debt, you might have heard the many businesses or your relatives or someone is starting the business, and because of debt or because of the money which they credit, so whatever credit they gave to people in the market, and that money has not come back to them, then they have to shut their businesses, right? So it's a debt-free business, cash and carry business, right? So it's an opportunity where just by changing the shop, you will get all this benefit. Okay, so for the company, it's a #1 direct selling company in India. It is started in 2004. So it's a 16-year-old company, and the company which will not give a right product or right services, they can survive in the market either for 2 years or 4 years, not more than that. But company is in the market from last 16 years. And last year turnover was 1850 crore, then 350 plus products, a 1200 plus product in VBD, that is Vestige Best Deals, then 4500 plus offline shops. That is, if I calculate on an average, on after every 35 to 40 kilometers, there is one shop in India, right? The products are economic, international quality, and it is at par with the market price, because there are many companies in the market out where they are providing such opportunity. But if you see the product prices are so high that common people cannot afford it, right? But here the product prices are as per market price. Then this opportunity, you can get it not in only in India, you can do it in Dubai, Nepal, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Bahrain, and Thailand. And recently it got launched in Nigeria and Ghana, and Philippines will be soon opening. So this is the 30th rank company in 100 DSN global listing, that is direct selling listing. And this is the one of the Indian company which is in top 30. So rest of the 29 companies are not Indian, those are the foreign companies, right? The company has all the proper certifications which is required for manufacturing, or if you are in dietary and food supplements, some basic certifications require, those are already there. As I'm from pharma background, I know what is the, so the GMP certificate, that is what is the requirement of GMP or good manufacturing practices. It is a basic certificate which is needed by company. Then halal, to do the business in GCC countries, the halal certificate is required, ISO. So in short, all the quality certificates and all the necessary certificates already there. This information you can get it from Google also. Now, so this was all about the business. Okay, so the team which I am belongs to or under mentorship where I am doing the business, it's a winning team and which is already there in the 10 countries, right? So he is the founder of winning team, Mr. SP Varil. You can get all information on Facebook or Google about him. So he has more than 22 years of industry experience, direct selling industry. Then there are some success stories. He's Anup Gupta. He was in pharmaceutical company working as a manager, but he started building his business, and in 4 years he built a big business. There's some more success stories. He's from Delhi. Then there is one more success story from Mumbai, Sagar Bhamri. So he is 33 years old, and if you go to his Facebook profile, it is already written that young, retire and reach, right? So these are many success stories. The people started building the business, and in short time of span, like 4 to 5 years, they build a big business. He's Gulab Jadeja. He is from Gujarat, Kutch, and he already has his own businesses, multiple businesses, and still he started a business for time, money, and security, right? And he's from Kerala, Bhartam sir. So most important thing about this person is he started his business in the age of 71 years and then started building the business. Then there is one more success story from Pune. He's Shirish and Sunita Sebastian, who is our mentor, and he is whatever earning from his business, he is paying GST. Okay. He's Eknath and Chinta Kumbar. So he is from mechanical and automobile background, started building the business before 3 years and is very much successful. He's from Pune, right? So friends, here to start, so whoever have invite you, you have to contact him and get some details. So what I can tell you is it is the opportunity where you no need to invest any money. Yeah, but definitely you will need your time to invest here, right? And in this pandemic situation, so most of the people realize that the job security is not there, or this, people's salary or hikes are stopped, or there is a very horrible situation in the market, right? So in this situation, we should have the additional source of income. And if you are thinking something for that, definitely this is the right opportunity. So thank you, friends. My presentation ends here. So what I'll suggest you, so whoever send you the link, get the more details from them. And still, if you have any questions, you can contact me or contact that person, right? So any one of you have any question?
Raise your hand. Yes,
so, yeah,
यहाँ पे फेबिन सर है, आप उनको अगर चाहते हो तो अनम्यूट कर सकते हो.
Yes. So Sandeep, can you unmute him, Febin sir?
Unmuted on.
Okay. Febin sir, you are here?
Yes.
Yeah, can you share your experience? Good evening, sir.
Anji, very good evening. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity. Yes, now those who are present in this meeting, very good evening to all. And it was a very fantastic presentation, very short and very meaningful and very interesting. Yes, to say about Vestige, see, it's everybody thinks when they comes, most of the people who still attend the meetings and those are already a part of Vestige, my experience which I have seen is that some people are moreover, they are shy. मतलब सबको थोड़ा शर्मिंदा है सबसे बात करने के लिए, मैं ये कैसे बात करूँ, कैसे प्लान प्रेजेंट करूँ, वो लोग को कैसे लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा कि बुरा लगेगा, whether they will interested to join with us or not, So one thing I would say, we must at least explain the plan of our company to at least 5 to 10 people a day. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? More and more, most of our, what will happen is people might say no. That's it. तो उसमें कोई शर्मिंदा कि there is no problem, nothing, we get shame or something. It's our own business what we are doing, and it's our what do you say, our time, and our good whatever good thing that we are explaining to somebody. So those who have literally, those who have seriously, they have some brains, you know, they will really go through it, and at least in a day or two they should come back to us. So now I have been dealing with a lot of people, and I am getting good results when I started it seriously. And I believe within very short time, all these director level ships we all can achieve through our winning team, with the help of our winning team and the mentors who have we have in our uplines. You know,
Yeah.
so it's a very good and big platform for all of us. Without any investment, we are getting a big opportunity for our own business, which I have not seen in any other company's opportunity giving to any people in the world, I must say. Because any companies comes like direct selling, every company is taking an advance registration fees of minimum 2,500 to maximum 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, I can say. You know, then there we will get 50 percentage of the price goods we can purchase, or we will get as a compliment. That all are like money chain kind of company, we have to understand. But here the platform is totally different. So I would request all of you to attend maximum meetings they can. So moreover the meetings we attend, more knowledge we get to explain to people also. And it is a kind of, I see this business in a different way, in kind of helping others to achieve their dreams. So that is the main point we have to catch and explain them how they can grow themselves. You know, many people like संदीप जी बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स में बोला है, अभी भी मीटिंग्स में रिपीट कर रहे हैं कि मतलब सबको सपने होते हैं, मगर सब वो अंदर ही रखता है, और मरने के समय वो सपने लेके जाता है, कोई वो पूरा करने के लिए कोशिश नहीं करते, right? So people should be open minded, and you know, they have to make them understand how we can achieve our own dreams and how achieve our own goals. Then our life will be very easy in Vestige, and everybody can enjoy each and every wonderful steps in Vestige. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for your wonderful words, sir. So I can see here that Jacinta he is here. Uh, so Sandeep, can you mute her, unmute her,
Yes, yes.
Jacinta?
Yeah, hi.
Can you share your experience?
Yeah, sure. Now, regarding this topic today that I've been given by Sandeep sir, define your dream. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself.
Yeah, Jacinta, sorry to interrupt you. This is about the plan and how you got this opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yes.
Yes. Now, about the plan, actually, one of my friend from my same company that I'm working in, TCS, informed me about it. Wherein now the catchy thing that I got interested about Vestige was, as a working girl in my family and taking care of my family, that was into grocery. So that was the thing that got attracted me. So because of that, I thought of, at least putting a start to it. And then I actually realized that it is, actually not wasting my money, and also helping me at the same time to become a better person. And with the support of everyone in this Vestige family, I think I can actually develop my personality in a much better way with all the support of the full entire Vestige family. So I'm actually liking the thing, and I'm actually, you know, uh, attending all the sessions, almost attending all the sessions whenever I have the time, and I feel very motivated to do this business forward. So that's how this opportunity delighted me. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jacinta.
Yeah.
So we have here one more person, Nitin Soni from Badlapur. So he is a businessman, and he is now he has already started a business before 1 year, and he is on the position of bronze director. So Nitin, can you share your experience?
Yes, Bala. Thank you very much. The way you explain the plan is too good. Awesome, man. But I have to share one thought. Have you completed your dreams, or you thoughts? I mean to say, जो आपने कॉलेज के टाइम पे देखा था, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड एनी सिंगल डिसीजन? I think nobody has achieved. Have you ever think why we can't achieve this? Because we are in a tradition of the thoughts. I mean to say, we are growing in a tradition who develop a thoughts. If you can't understand me, I can explain you in Hindi. अगर आप आपके ड्रीम्स अचीव नहीं कर पाए हो, तो आप ऐसे थॉट्स में जी रहे हो जो लोगों ने आपके डेवलप किए। आपके थॉट्स आपने कभी डेवलप किए? So as I am a businessman, I develop my thoughts in college days. Due to employment, I will not fulfill my dreams and my family dreams. So I decided to do hard work and do the business. So my decision was very, very true for me. And I started my business in the 15 year back. I started 15 year back. Why Vestige? Vestige is a platform to convert your expenses into turnover. Yes, simple is that. If you have a dream today evening, you have to thought on that dream. You have to thought, because there is no such person who can ask you what is your dreams. If you have a dream, tell that person, I have a dream and I am working for that. And here is the platform through you can achieve your dreams. That is Vestige and Winning Team. It's a simple and logical platform. Don't make assumptions. Don't make assumptions. It's simple. Thank you, Bah.
Yes, thank you, Nitin. Thanks for your words. We have one more person, Yasin Sheikh. Sandeep sir, can you unmute him? I think he is from Pune. Yes, Yasin.
No, yes, sir. Thank you so much. I am not from Pune. I am from Solapur, sir, Maharashtra.
Okay.
Yes, sir. आपका presentation, sir, बहुत ही बेहतरीन था. और मैं यासिन शेख फ्रॉम सोलापुर. जस्ट मैंने 1-2 दिन पहले ही ब्रॉन्ज डायरेक्टरशिप अचीवमेंट की है.
Great, sir.
पुराने प्लान के हिसाब से 10,000 प्लस मेरे पीवी हो चुके हैं और क्वालिफाई भी हुआ हूँ, सिर्फ और सिर्फ सर विनिंग टीम के सिस्टम की वजह से. और अगर मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अगर मैं बताना चाहूँ तो फरवरी महीने में मैंने इस बिजनेस को ज्वाइन किया. एक ही कंसेप्ट मेरे को इसमें की सबसे अच्छी जो बात ये लगी कि यहाँ जो सपने हम देखते हैं वो किस फॉर्म लेने से जो हम लोग सोने के बाद देखते हैं. यहाँ पर हम लोग जो जनरेशन प्लान से होते हैं यहाँ तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है कि लोगों को प्लान बताते हुए. और अच्छी बात ये है कि हम जो खुले आंखों से जो सपने देखते हैं वो पूरा करने का हम मौका देती है विनिंग टीम और वेस्टीज तो हमको जो है प्रोडक्ट प्रोवाइड करती है और हम लोगों को विनिंग टीम जो ये सिखाती है कि अपने सपने कैसे पूरे किए जाए. तो यहाँ मैं बड़ा ही थैंक्स कहूँगा मेरे अपलाइन को और जहांगीर सोलापुर से. मुझे प्रेजेंटेशन बताया था, मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया, उसको बड़े ही पैशनेट बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ. और यहाँ से मैं अभी 100% ये कह सकता हूँ कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म से मेरे सपने पूरे हो रहे हैं और होंगे, क्योंकि सिंपल एक
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes, network issue.
Okay,
He left.
okay.
He left. Okay.
Okay.
Conclude meeting.
Yes. So thank you so much, all of you. And here we are concluding this meeting. Okay. So what if you want to know more, so contact to the person who has invited you and get the details and get started, because it's very simple. Thank you. Thank you so much for being
Yes,
here.
yeah. Yasin sir is back now. Yes. Yasin sir, you are unmuted. Okay. Yes, Yasin sir, please. आपका नेटवर्क का इशू है, शायद से आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही सर.
Okay, I think.
आपकी आ रही है सर आवाज?
yes. तो फिर भी थोड़ा सा ब्रेक हो रहा है.
क्लियर है सर?
No.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much for sharing your experience. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Balakrishna, conclude the meeting.